Hello YouTube friends, welcome to part 12 of preparing and caring for large seahorses. Last time we talked about ingredients that I put together to feed seahorses, and today we're going to talk about how I defrost those ingredients and put them together. First, I use some sort of glass vessel. I like glass because it's easy to clean and it does not hold bacteria very well like plastic tends to. I use flat packs because I have a lot of seahorses to feed, and I just break off pieces of the flat packs of the frozen food. You might use the blister packs that have the squares that you pop out, like this one here for the brine shrimp with spirulina. Now, I just use regular tap water to soak the food in. You might want to use reverse osmosis water. And the idea is to let it soak until the food starts to sink. While it's doing that, I add my supplements that I discussed in the previous video. And because I'm feeding a lot of seahorses, I provide a generous amount of Celcon. You might just want to put in a few drops. I also add a generous amount of Vitachem saltwater vitamins. Again, a few drops might be enough for you. And then I aim for 1 drop of concentrated garlic. Sometimes more than 1 drop ends up in there, but I try to just get the 1 drop. And this time it looks like I was successful, just getting the 1 drop. So I have all of those ingredients together and I let it defrost. You have to use non-salt water, otherwise the food will float even if it's defrosted. You also have to defrost it to get all of the juices rinsed off very well. And I take a fork to stir things up, help with the defrosting, and get a sense of how well defrosted everything is. And when it's ready, then I start pouring the concoction into my net and look at all of the dirtiness coming out. A lot of that cloudiness is from the shrimp and the juices it had. I had a little bit of leftover food in the cup, so I add that to the net, and then I rinse that very well until it's ready to serve to the seahorses. And that's pretty much my process for defrosting. Next time we'll talk about feeding options and getting finicky seahorses to eat. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time, and please subscribe and like this video if it helped you. It really helps my channel. Take care.